Hi, welcome to ExcelBuzz.com. My name is Nico and I'm going to take a couple of minutes to teach you all about Excel. Now, let's start with the basics. I'm going to tell you what you can see on the screen. The top part is called the ribbon, and the ribbon consists of tabs, and within each tab is a set of commands. Now, right under the ribbon, we have the name box and the formula bar, and underneath that we have the workspace area. Within the workspace area is a set of cells. The cells are grouped into rows and columns. Now the columns are labeled with letters and the rows are labeled with numbers. Each cell has a unique reference made up of a letter and number. So the top left cell, for example, would be A1. Now, the name box shows us the name of the cell, and if you haven't given it a special name, then it'll just show the reference. So there we can see B6. Within the grid of cells, you enter your information. So you can enter some text, you can enter numbers, or you can even enter a formula. Let's say equals 1 plus 1. It gives us 2. Now the formula bar shows you the formula that gives us that answer. Now right at the bottom we have the worksheet tabs. An Excel file is called a workbook, and the workbook contains numerous worksheets. Now, at the moment we just have one sheet. We can add another, but one sheet contains more than 16,000 columns and more than 1 million rows. So quite a bit of information that can be contained in one worksheet. Now at the very bottom, the green bar down here, this is called the status bar, and let's select two numbers. See there, it shows us the average of the numbers, the count, in other words the number of numbers, the sum, so it adds it up. We can zoom in, zoom out. So that's the status bar. And the last thing, right at the top, we have what's called the quick access toolbar. Now, if there is a command that you use really often, you can right click on it and say add to quick access toolbar. And then it'll always sit there at the top. So let's say you want to align that text in the middle. There's your icon right at the top. So it doesn't matter which ribbon you're looking at, your favorite icon will be right there, so you can click it and it centers your text. So that's very briefly, in a nutshell, what Excel looks like.